just with Wales, you have that proper sense of belonging.
Give it everything that you've got, leave it all out there on the pitch.
She's at Gareth Bale status.
We started in Lucerne.
Come on, Cymru!
We witnessed our first goal in St Gallen.
Come on, Cymru!
And now we're back in a familiar city to face a familiar foe. So let's once again make our way through the streets of St Gallen to find some fans and soak up that Euros buzz.
Now I believe you've just arrived here in St Gallen. Is this your first match of the Euros?
Yes, it is, but we've been watching eagerly from our home.
What made you want to come out here and support the team?
Oh, only because I'm so proud of the team, really. The fact they've got so far, and they're such a great group of women. We've seen them in Cardiff, haven't we, a few times?
We've seen them play before.
Yeah, so we followed them there, so we had to come out and support them. Yes, and we're proud of what they've done already.
So I found some very proud parents here around St Gallen, the parents of Carrie Jones. It's great to have you here with us. You're having a fantastic time here in Switzerland.
It's absolutely amazing here. So lovely, this country. Absolutely enjoyed it, haven't we?
Very nice indeed.
People-
What a venue, you know.
Yeah, amazing. We wouldn't have done this otherwise. No way would we have come here. So it's really nice to be able to see this part of Switzerland, definitely.
And of course tomorrow is the final game so far of the group stage against England. You've enjoyed the matches so far. How much are you looking forward to this one?
Yeah, we are looking forward to this game, aren't we? We've looked forward to all of them, to be quite honest. Just the fact that they've got here, they're on the pitch. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. So, yeah, couldn't be more prouder.
So I arrived out on Tuesday, went to the match then on Wednesday, and then final match then on tomorrow, and then, yeah, looking forward.
And how have you found Switzerland so far and the journey, you know, the first two matches as well? What an occasion it's been.
Oh, absolutely lovely. It's really nice to be here. The atmosphere is fantastic. Nice weather, nice people, and yeah, enjoying it.
So we travelled up yesterday, so we're just having a bit of a adventure today, getting our bearings, isn't it? So tomorrow we're prepared, we know where the fan zone is, we know where we're going. Have you been supporting from home and watching all the games?
Yeah, so we've watched them all. We've got like a little group that sometimes we FaceTime each other just to like, it's quite cool really, just to watch them all.
First match at the Euros, we're meeting up with my sister later on, who's come from Swansea, and she was out for last Saturday's game in Lucerne, the first one. But we've been avidly watching back home and really looking forward to tomorrow's game.
And what does Wales mean to you?
It means passion. Like, everyone in Wales is just so passionate about what they support. Like, at one point, I think we had the most away fans here at the start. And just everyone who knows goes. Everyone loves everything to do with Wales.
I would agree, 100%. Yes, I've always been a passionate Welsh woman, and I think I've just got more as the time has gone on, but particularly with the Welsh women's football. Yes, definitely, yes.
My next question to you is, what does Cymru, what does Wales mean to you?
I think the feeling of sort of everybody's in the same boat, if you like, the togetherness, the feeling of family. You know, just talked with random people in the pub last night because they were wearing Wales tops, and it was really nice, the feeling of togetherness.
I think it's just with Wales, you have that proper sense of belonging. We're such a small little country, so to make it to the Euros, you know, it's a big thing. So you just feel like you are really part. It's like you're walking through the street. Every time we see a Welsh shirt, you're like, oh my gosh, there's someone who's Welsh, because, you know, it's such a big thing to come to a tournament like this. So it's just that sense of, you know, belonging with everyone around you then.
Just a big part of you. You've grown up there. It's just nice to see them getting bigger and bigger as a country with a football nation. So it's lovely.
As a Welshman living in England, I'm very proud. Always supported Wales, travel all over. It means everything to me.
And you're here supporting Wales as well, despite the fact that you do live in England.
Yes, so I live in England, have done all my life, but obviously married to Chris now for about over 10 years now, so I also support Wales.
What does Wales mean to you, Cymru? What does Cymru mean to you?
Home. Don't you start him off?
No?
Yeah, no, you know, it's good to see how many Welsh supporters out here. They've really backed them really backed them.
Has been quite a bit of a home from home, really, because there's a WhatsApp group going on that we're in, and it almost feels like you're on holiday with 4,000 people from Wales, because, you know, if you've got a problem, if you've got any tips, hints, where can we go to? In the group straight away.
Thank you. And is there a player in the team that you'd like to send a message to?
Jess Fishlock, who I actually have her signature on the back of my hat.
Oh, wow.
Because we went to see her in Cardiff. And I'm so happy she came back to play in the Euros, and she's just an amazing player. And she's not just Jess Fishlock, the Wales player now. She is just Jess Fishlock. Like, she's at Gareth Bale status. She's really, really, like, she's like one of the biggest Wales women player because of her talent. She scored against France, played amazingly, and I think she's just my favourite player in general.
I love that. What an amazing answer. And who would you say is your favourite player?
I'm impressed with Jess Fishlock, obviously, but Angharad James as well. Yes, I like the way that she speaks to the media. I think you can feel the passion in her voice and her body language and everything. So yes, she's number one for me as well.
Amazing. What about you, Maxen? Who's your favourite?
Gareth Bale.
Oh, Gareth Bale. Amazing. Love that.
I do love Kerry Holland. I love her. I also love Liverpool. That would be why. Yeah, massive full block to everyone as well, though.
Yeah, Fia Morgan, she doesn't live too far from us, so
One of the questions I was going to ask is to send a message to one of the players, and I've no doubt who you'd like to send a message to.
Oh, Carrie, just, so proud of you. Give it all you got. I mean, to all of them, to be quite honest. Just give it everything that you've got. Leave it all out there on the pitch.
Good luck, you've made the nation proud, and let's have a win tomorrow.
just poor luck there, smash it and just do your best.
Enjoy your,
Yeah,
just
and
enjoy everything.
Just go out, just do everybody proud here and back home.
Pub luck!
Yes, and we're behind you 100%.
Yeah, come on, Cymru!
Come on, Cymru!